Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how I maximize my views and audience by using the TubeBuddy extension. Now, in my last video, I talked about how you can actually be a TubeBuddy affiliate, and I will link that in the description box below. You can check it out if you have not already seen it. So I got some questions about how to actually use the TubeBuddy Chrome extension to maximize view. That's exactly what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So I have a new video that I'm going to be uploading right now, and I'm going to be sharing with you from the very beginning to the very end how I use TubeBuddy to do the tags, to get the keywords to use and all those good stuff. If this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Victoria. Please, if any of my content interests you, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and leave me a comment below. Let's get on the computer now. So I'm going to be editing this video. Normally what I do is I record on my phone, I edit on my phone, and I just transfer it to my I upload on my phone also, then I come to the computer to edit. I upload normally as unlisted, as you can see here. I upload as unlisted. So when I've finished with every all the editing and everything in the YouTube studio, then I schedule it, or I just make it public immediately. So right now I am going to be opening another YouTube page. Like, I'm going to be opening another tab for YouTube, just so I do some searches. So for this video is about a teleprompter that I just tried out and I reviewed. It will be going out it's will be going live on my video. Oh my god, it's will be going live on my channel very soon. And the title that I actually have for it is, I already have a title in mind, and I'm going to be putting in that title here to see. So the title I have for it is best. The keyword is actually teleprompter. So teleprompter app for Android. Let's take that one first. And if we go to this right side, according to TubeBuddy, we'll actually see the results. So as you can see, TubeBuddy Search Explorer is telling me that the search volume for this particular video is poor, and the competition is good, is excellent. So the overall score is 70 over 100, which is very good. So this keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. So I can actually target English is hard. I can actually target this particular keyword. So those are some of the things that TubeBuddy helps you with. And you can see related searches is giving me teleprompter app for Android phone, and most used tags. So these are tags suggestions that match the keyword that I'll be using, and TubeBuddy is already suggesting all these things for me. And I'm just going to click on each and every one of them, and I am as long as they relate to my keyword, I'm going to just click on them all and copy them to my videos. that is one secret to getting views, because when those these tags are in your videos, when people search, YouTube is able to say this video matches what this person is searching because of the tags that are attached to this video. So I'm going to show this video to this person who is searching, and depending on your thumbnail, the person might actually click on it. So these are very good features of TubeBuddy. Okay, I think I'm okay with that. So I'm just going to copy to clipboard, copy. Then I'm going to go to my main video, and here I am going to actually put these tags. I'm just going to right click and paste. See, it's even more than I need. So right now I'm just going to filter all this and just delete those ones that are not so good, that are not so very related to my particular keyword. I'm going to delete them. I'm going to delete them so that I stay in the margin of the 500 words allowed by YouTube. Another thing that TubeBuddy does for you is that it helps you, it gives you those best practice checklists that you need to be looking at and you need to be looking for. See, your title should be between 20 and 70 characters. So right now I know what my title should be. I mean, the number of words I'm supposed to put for my title. YouTube actually allows you to write up to 100, but TubeBuddy tells you that between 20 and 70 characters is ideal. Then get a like on Facebook. It encourages you to share your video, share on Facebook, share on Twitter, add tags to your title, add more tags. Then as you complete each and every one of it, it will tell you, oh, you've completed 2 out of 9, 3 out of 9. So you know that you still have a lot of work to do in promoting your videos. It prompts you to add cards, add end screen, add to a playlist. And as you can see right here, TubeBuddy is also recommending other sets of tags for me. It's still loading so that I can add more tags if they are relevant to my video. And I can also decide to create a thumbnail with TubeBuddy. See, I'll just click on this create thumbnail, and then it's going to guide me through picking the best thumbnail, the best footage from my video to make as a thumbnail. So I can decide to use a still frame from my video, or to use another color, or use an existing thumbnail or a image from my library. So if I want to use something from my video, I just click on this, and then frustrated while making videos, I go this way. Okay, let's say I'm okay with this particular one. Then I can just adjust the video frame, or I can just continue. So I can add a text, I can add image, another image if I want, I can add shape, add emojis, add frame, add template, all by TubeBuddy thumbnail generator. And after that, I'm allowed to preview. You preview, are you okay with what you are seeing? Are you okay with the thumbnail? And you also kind of check it with the other thumbnails from other people also. And you can actually download the thumbnail here. You can download the thumbnail to your computer, and you can see how the thumbnail will look if you share your video on Facebook, as you can see, or you share it on Twitter. How awesome is that? How awesome is that? I hope this has been helpful to you guys. I really hope you've gotten one or two things, you've learned one or two things. If you want to download TubeBuddy, you can start by clicking the link in the description box below and take it from there. You'll be offered various trials for upgrades. You can check that out. You can start with a free version and upgrade as time goes. So click the link in the description box. If you like this video, please give it a like. Leave me a comment below on whether you are actually using TubeBuddy right now or not, or you are about to to download it. Please let me know in the comment section, and please do share this video with other creators that you know. This will be really helpful. If you have any questions or any video requests concerning around TubeBuddy or tools for YouTube or YouTube growth, please let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer those questions. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.